Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a Minecraft server. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently using Aternos, as this is by far the easiest method on how to create your own server. Okay, so go ahead and make your account. Go to aternos.org/servers, and then just make your account. And once done, just click on create right here for servers. As you can see, I already have a previous servers. So I'm just going to click on create just for you to see. And then once done, select the game, for example, Java or Bedrock. It's up to you. Well, just click on create. You could also back up your server right here if you want to. If not, just click on skip. And then once you're in here, as you can see, we got the big start button and we're currently offline. So just go ahead over to options first. Change all the server properties right here, such as the game mode, the slots, so on and so forth. And then the time zone, environment as well. And then let's just go ahead and go back to our server. You can change the game version right here and also the software. Okay, so as you can see, we are currently using the latest as per recording. This one is the latest. So I'm just going to hit on start, accept the ULA right here. So just wait for your queue. That's the only problem with this method. You're going to have to wait for a queue. And in a moment, it will just say online right here. Now, while it's on queue, okay, you can go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher, also the game, Java Edition, play. Make sure that you use the same release, okay? 1.21.11, 1.21.11, hit on play. Now prepare your multiplayer section and just go ahead and add in a server right here. Confirm now. Once you got that pop up, just go ahead and click on it, okay? And wait for it to prepare your server. Now it says here online. You can now go ahead and copy right here your address. Open up your Minecraft server address, paste, or Control V, hit on done, wait for it to load. And then just click on play. Okay, and here we have our world. Okay, so as you can see here, it says multiplayer third-party server. There you have it. That is how you make a Minecraft server. Anyone can join. Just basically copy the address right here and send it to whoever you want. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.